Welcome to our exploration of the incredible benefits of clove tea. Prepare to uncover the remarkable potential this aromatic brew holds for your health and well-being. From its robust antioxidants to its anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea has a lot to offer. So let's dive in and discover the wonders of this ancient herbal infusion. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential compounds that protect our cells from oxidative stress caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Clove tea is a potent source of antioxidants, primarily due to its high content of a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By consuming clove tea, you introduce a natural defense system to your body, bolstering your overall health. The antioxidants in clove tea also have skin benefits, supporting a youthful complexion and protecting against environmental damage. Embracing clove tea as part of your daily routine can be a proactive step towards maintaining good health and combating the effects of oxidative stress, ensuring that your body remains resilient and functioning optimally. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove tea contains compounds like eugenol, which possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. This natural attribute allows clove tea to combat inflammation within the body, which is a common underlying factor in many chronic health issues. When consumed, clove tea can help reduce inflammation, providing relief for conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and even digestive problems. By targeting inflammation, clove tea aids in alleviating discomfort and promoting overall well-being. Furthermore, these anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to maintaining heart health by potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating clove tea into your routine, you harness its inherent ability to fight inflammation, enhancing your body's natural defense mechanisms. This makes clove tea not only a flavorful beverage, but also a potential ally in the pursuit of a healthier, more comfortable life. 3. Supports digestive health. Clove tea is known to possess properties that can aid in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The active compounds in cloves play a crucial role in promoting optimal digestive function. When you consume clove tea, it may help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The natural components in cloves have been traditionally used to soothe the gastrointestinal tract, easing discomfort and supporting overall digestive comfort. Clove tea's potential benefits for digestion can be attributed to its carminative and anti-flatulent properties. These properties help to regulate digestion, prevent excessive gas formation, and ease digestive discomfort. By incorporating clove tea into your routine, you may experience a gentle, natural way to support your digestive system, leading to a more comfortable and balanced digestive experience. 4. Respiratory issues alleviation. Clove tea is believed to possess properties that may help alleviate certain respiratory issues and provide relief from discomfort related to the respiratory system. Clove tea's natural compounds, particularly eugenol, have been recognized for their potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties could contribute to the soothing of respiratory discomfort, including symptoms such as coughing, congestion, and irritation. When you consume clove tea, it is thought to have a soothing effect on the respiratory tract. The warm infusion of clove tea can provide comfort, especially during cold weather or when experiencing common respiratory challenges. Additionally, the antimicrobial nature of cloves may contribute to maintaining a healthier respiratory environment. It's important to note that while clove tea may offer potential respiratory support, it should not be considered a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment, especially in severe respiratory conditions. Consultation with a healthcare provider is essential for a comprehensive approach to respiratory health. 5. Oral health maintenance. Clove tea is renowned for its traditional use in maintaining good oral hygiene, thanks to its natural properties that may promote a healthy mouth. Clove tea contains compounds that have antimicrobial and analgesic properties. These properties could help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, which can contribute to dental issues such as cavities and gum disease. Additionally, eugenol's mild numbing effect may offer temporary relief from toothaches or gum discomfort. The warm, soothing nature of clove tea may provide a refreshing sensation in the mouth, promoting cleanliness and comfort. However, it's important to note that while clove tea may offer potential oral health benefits, It should not replace regular oral hygiene practices such as brushing and professional dental care. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Clove tea has been recognized for its potential in aiding blood sugar regulation, particularly in individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The active components in cloves may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes. Studies suggest that consuming clove tea may help control post-meal glucose levels, enhancing glycemic control. However, it's crucial to emphasize that clove tea should not replace medical advice or prescribed diabetes management. Individuals with diabetes should continue to follow their healthcare provider's guidance, including medication, diet, and exercise. Furthermore, those without diabetes can also benefit from the potential blood sugar stabilizing effects of clove tea, as maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for overall well-being. 7. Pain relief. One of the fascinating attributes of clove tea is its potential to provide natural pain relief, making it a popular choice for individuals seeking holistic alternatives. The active compound in cloves, known as eugenol, possesses both analgesic, pain-relieving, and anti-inflammatory properties. This quality makes clove tea effective in alleviating various types of pain, such as headaches, toothaches, and even minor muscle discomfort. When consumed, the compounds in clove tea may interact with receptors in the body, leading to the reduction of pain signals and the inhibition of inflammatory pathways. While clove tea can provide temporary relief, it is essential to remember that it may not be a substitute for prescribed medications or professional medical advice for severe or chronic pain conditions. If you experience persistent or severe pain, consult a healthcare provider before relying solely on clove tea or any other herbal remedy. Integrating clove tea into a holistic pain management plan, under the guidance of a healthcare professional, may offer a natural and potentially effective way to address mild to moderate pain. In conclusion, the benefits of clove tea make it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. However, it's essential to exercise caution and be aware of certain circumstances where clove tea might not be suitable. Pregnant or nursing individuals, those with bleeding disorders, or anyone scheduled for surgery should avoid consuming clove tea due to its potential impact on blood clotting. If you have a history of allergic reactions to spices or are taking medications that could interact with cloves compounds, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating clove tea into your regimen. While clove tea holds numerous health-promoting qualities, it's essential to prioritize safety, especially if you have underlying medical conditions. Always err on the side of caution and consult your doctor, particularly if you're on prescription medications or have a medical history that could be impacted by herbal remedies. As you explore the potential benefits of clove tea, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you ever tried clove tea, and did you notice any positive effects? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation on the incredible power of natural remedies.